Well, we are now going over to the ones that have got diacritic marks on them, those that have got dots on them, and there are 4 of them. Those 4 letters are A, O, and Ng. Look at them. Those with dots, there are 4 of them. They have got pom, we call it pom. Pom means dot. Ndi mwene pom. Those that have got a dot, they have got a diacritic mark, 4 of them. E is I with a dot underneath. E, you pronounce it as if you pronounce fear. E, the E in fear. The next one is O. Say it. O. The next one is O. E, O, say it. E, O. E, O. The O sounds like when you pronounce apple. O, apple. O. Then this is the odd one. Its own dot is on top, not underneath, unlike A, O. This one is pronounced Nge, not Ne. Ne is N, but we pronounce it Nge, as if you are singing a song, Nge. Say it, Nge. So this is Nge. These are the 4 Igbo letters that have got dots. Look at them. Ndi etinyene pom. Ndi etinyene pom. That is those that have got dots or diacritic mark attached to them. A, O, Nge. Say it. E, O, and Nge. Thank you very much. The next group of ABIIDII letters we are going to discuss is the vowels, and in fact these appear to be the most important, because without the vowels you cannot pronounce anything in Igbo, even in any language. If you don't have vowels in any language, you can't pronounce anything. We have got 8 vowels. Look at them. A, O. Say it after me. A, O. Then the other 4. A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. So these are the 8 Igbo vowels. A, O, A, E, O, U. We call them Oda Ume. Oda Ume means breath sounds. Sound of the air when you breathe it out and vocalize. Oda Ume, the sound of the breath. There are 8 of them. We call these first 4, we call them Oda Ume Mfe. Oda Ume Mfe. Look at them here. Oda Ume Mfe. That is to say, light vowels, because they sound light. They sound soft. Their sound is very soft. We call them light vowels. A, O. They are light vowels, or Odaumemfe. Then you have A, E, O, U. You call them heavy vowels, or Odaume Aro. Know very well that in Igbo alphabet, ABIIDII Igbo, we have 8 vowels, and these 8 vowels are A, O, A, E, O, U. Without vowels, we cannot pronounce any letter in Igbo language. Even though the English alphabet gave rise to the Igbo Izugbe alphabet, please don't make the mistake of pronouncing the Igbo alphabets as if you are pronouncing the English alphabet. These are 2 different languages. For example, Igbo language we pronounce A, while English you say A for this one. English we call this E, but in Igbo language we shall say A. Don't make the mistake of saying E. No. Don't make the mistake of saying A. This is A. Note the first 4 letters A, B, G, D. Note the 8 vowels of Igbo language. We call them odaume or breath sounds. A, E, O, and then A, E, O, U. We call them odaume because when you breathe out and vocalize, the sound comes out. Without the use of odaume, you cannot pronounce any consonant. Note very well that the light vowels are A, E, O, while the heavy vowels are A, E, O, U. We mentioned two letters, me and ne. Sometimes they behave as if they are vowels. That's why we call them oyiri, odaume.